So that's been my stay in Selmer, Tennessee, in the old shed. So this is an Airbnb, but this is also a shed. I am in a literal shed right now, and when I was approaching, I was like, ugh. But it's so beautiful inside, and they did such a great job decorating it. And it's very classy. Look at that. Right? For a shed, they turned this thing into something magical. This is here in Selmer, Tennessee. I'm staying at this Airbnb right now. Just wow. Very cool use of the space. Got a little swing out here. This is it. This is my Airbnb tonight. Right here, baby. Okay, it's nighttime and I'm asleep in the cabin. A couple things. For one, this little guy right here is in charge of the whole cabin. So it's cold outside. It's 28 degrees outside. Not too hot in this cabin, but it's very comfortable. They've got great quality bedding and it's very, very comfortable. What else? It's still a great cabin. It's just, it's a woot to me that it's just a shed outside. Surrounded by other houses, but they did such a good job inside. Hey, there's only one sink here. The bathroom has no sink. The kitchen, that is the only sink for the entire unit. All right, well, good night. The coldest night's sleep of my life. Staying in here. Let me tell you, it was like 20 degrees outside last night and it was maybe 22 in here. It was freezing. And going to the bathroom, oh, that was cold. All right, welcome to Selmer, Tennessee on a beautiful sunset. There was some tornado damage that I saw on my way in. Look at all of this damage. This is what it looks like when tornado hits thick forest. This tornado just roared through this forest and snapped all these trees like little babies. And then it came over here. Kind of missed this guy's house, but not really. Totally took his roof. And then crossed the street. Messed this guy's little cabin shed up, then jumped into this dude's property, and it's like a straight shot. You can see where the tornado just cleared everything in its path. Look at all that. And messed up that house. So the Airbnb I'm by had a tornado, right? And this tornado over by Rose Creek Farms in Selmer, Tennessee. This tornado completely obliterated this. I've stayed on this farm before, and this tornado has completely obliterated this road. The damage starts here. So this is the damage where the tornado damage starts. That's not much. You can see all the trees in the back are cleared. The tornado just cleared so many trees. The fact that it somehow missed our Airbnb is a blessing. And what's the crazy part is that there was a house in here, and it was a pretty nice house. And it was completely destroyed. It's right there. It even has stone masonry for the entrance. This is where I'm staying tonight. It is easily the nicest shed I've ever seen. So this is it. This is the shed in Selmer, Tennessee. It's a shed. And I was initially offended. Like, how the hell did this get on Airbnb? But it ended up being really cool. I don't know how the plumbing works just yet. Hope it's good. So another shout out on this Airbnb. Look at this pillow. Oh my gosh. You don't see this in most Airbnbs. Look at that. This is like genuinely staying at grandma's house. That is so cool. I have pillows for every hour of the night, baby.